Hi, Ma'am Rose Garcia. Good evening. Ako si Jamaica Grace Pradera. Isa po akong first-year student sa State University of Northern Negros, taking a Bachelor Technology Livelihood Education, major in Industrial Art. Isa po sa requirements sa amin sa Purposive Communication na subject is kailangan ko pong mag-reach out ng isang tao na kung saan ibang kanyang lingwahe or language sa akin at humihingi po ako ng tulong na i-translate ang 25 ng mga phrases ng Hiligaynon sa iyong sariling lingwahe sa pamamagitan ng video call. Ma'am Rose Garcia, pwede mo ba ako matutulungan?
Good evening, Jamaica. Kumusta?
Okay lang po.
Okay, pwede naman. Ano yon? Ano yung mga phrases na kailangan mo i-translate?
Una po, in Hiligaynon po, dito sa aming lingwahe, kamusta ka? Or in English, how are you? Pwede mo bang
Okay.
i-translate?
First, Jamaica is how are you? Sa amin po is kumusta kan?
Kumusta ka? Okay po, ma'am. Second po is, in Hiligaynon, salamat gid, or in English, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Agyaman launay.
Okay. Susunod po ay, in Hiligaynon, sige lang, or in English, it's okay.
Mayat lata. It's okay, mayat lata.
Susunod po na phrases ay, tani ari kadi, or I wish you were here.
I wish you were here as like kamatakan titay.
Okay po. Maayo gid, or very good.
Very good is naglaing unay.
Wala problema or no problem.
No problem is awanti anyahan.
Daw kapoy ko, or I feel tired.
Mariknak na napamugak.
Ari ko sa balay, or in English, I'm at home.
I'm at home adak iti patangian.
Okay. Ay na, tama na. Or in English, that's enough.
That's enough of nasin dayta.
Palihog ko, or please.
Please is my dawat.
Okay. Nami gid siya, or it's really nice.
It's really nice. Talagaan nagsayat dayta.
Okay. Ano ang imo plano, or what's your plan?
What's your plan? Aniya ti plano?
Ginbuhat ko tanan. I did everything.
I did everything. Inaramid ko ti amin.
May salig ko sa imo, or I trust you.
I trust you. Agtalika kinta.
Ginbuligan ta ka, or I help you.
I help you tinulungan daka.
Pasensya gid ha, I'm really sorry.
I'm really sorry. Talaga nga aglading ni kak.
Puli na ko, or I'm going home.
I'm going home agawidak.
Nalipay ko, or I'm happy.
I'm happy marag sa kanap.
Okay? Maalam ka gid, or you're smart.
You're smart. Ne-receive ka.
Importante gid ini. This is very important.
This is very important na patig-unay daytoy.
Okay? Daw nami ini. This looks good.
This looks good. Nasaya at tilangga daytoy.
Ginhulat tagid ka, or I really wait for you.
I really waited for you. Talaga nga, inuray kay.
Palangga ta ikaw, or in English, I love you.
I love you. Ay ayatin ka.
Hindi ka magpati. Don't believe it.
Don't believe it. Di mo patiyan dayta.
And pinakalas, or salamat kay ginbuligan mo ko, or thank you for helping me.
Thank you for helping me. Pagyamanan iti panang tulong yu kamyak.
Hi Ma'am Rose, maraming salamat po ha.
Thank you. Thank you, Jamaica.
Dahil
Thank you po.
malaking tulong na po ito sa akin. Hanggang sa muli Ma'am. Salamat.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you, Jamaica.
God bless you po.